In this video, I'll show you how to set up a disposable email address in Gmail. Firstly, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Log in with your Gmail account using your credentials. Gmail allows you to create disposable email addresses using the plus symbol. For example, if your email is example@gmail.com, you can create a disposable email by adding a plus and any keyword like example plus newsletter@gmail.com. Gmail ignores dots in the username part of your Gmail address. You can use variations like xaa.mple@gmail.com or any other placement of dots. Click the gear icon in the upper right corner of the Gmail to select See All Settings. Go to Filters and Blocked Addresses. Click on Create a New Filter and then in the To field, enter your new disposable email address. Decide what you want to do with the email sent to this address, and once you've chosen the filter actions, click Create Filter to finalize. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.